Yo, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to episode 2 of Rebuilding the Las Vegas Raiders. If you didn't watch episode 1, first I'd recommend to go watch that. But if you don't feel like it, this is what our team is looking like right now. We're obviously still looking to do more trades and improve this team significantly. Also, if you didn't watch episode 1, I had the rule where I can only do true trades per week. So, to start off this episode, we're going to be doing those two trades. Obviously, one of my main objectives is to get a defensive tackle because we are very thin at the defensive tackle position. But it's just finding a team who has one that they're willing to get rid of that's tradable for. Okay, so I looked around. I think trading for these two guys is a much more manageable trade, obviously. Holy crap. And this is definitely going to go through. This is only my first trade, and we got it through. So let's take a look at our team after that trade. Okay. We're improving the team very well. I think we need a free safety and maybe a right tackle. So we're going to look for that. Alright, so I looked around and this trade doesn't seem too bad, and I guarantee I won't have to give up that much. Like, okay, obviously more than that, but hmm. Alright, and now after that, after our two trades this week, this is what our team is looking like. Now, hold on. Generate best lineup. Here we go. This is our offense. And then this is a look at our defense. I'd say a pretty good improvement compared to last week. And I think we can make some big moves and win this game going into week 2 against the Los Angeles Chargers. I liked how we did it last week with just playing the moments, so I'm going to go ahead and just do that again. It was pretty good last week. It ended up serving us well, getting that win and blowing them out, so. And our first moment is in the red zone. Got it? Ashton Genty. Run him over. Ooh. I don't know why I tried to run over Derwin James. I don't think that was the smartest. Alright. And Brock Bowers wide open. Touchdown. Wow. First drive. Pretty easy touchdown considering we started very close, so. I guess that makes sense why we scored so easily. And we give up a touchdown. We missed our moment. Alright, now we start off with the offense. Ooh, fitted in nice. Yes, sir. Good catch by Dante Thornton Jr. to get the first down. We get another moment, and now we're on defense. Give me that. Oh, what an amazing pick to Oh my gosh, a very important turnover when they were in the red zone and threat of scoring, and we just pick them off. Yes, sir. Here we go. Drake London. Huge catch for a huge gain. Moving the chains. Alright, let's see. I think I'm going to hit Brock Bowers. Oh no, that's a horrible pass by Mac Jones and by me. That was also horrible. Play wreck, and that was just a bad play. I shouldn't have done that. And now they're in the red zone and threat of scoring. This is not good. Good tackle. Come on. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Are we going to make a goal line stand right here, right now? Come on. Oh, we made a stop. Wow. What great work, team, to stop the Chargers from scoring at their own goal line. Let's see. We get the ball back. They're up by 3 now. But we are also in the red zone, so. Oh, I didn't think he would cut back down. That's a bad throw. Brock Bowers. Oh my gosh, Brock Bowers. Oh my god. Is that my left tackle? My 90 overall left tackle? Where's Ashton Genty? Oh my gosh. It looks like my team is getting destroyed by injuries right now. Good tackle. Come on. Yeah, he dives into the end zone, putting them up by 3 in the 4th. And they're in the red zone again. Our offense can't get nothing going. And I just can't keep up. Oh my gosh. They get the catch, pushing them closer and closer to the touchdown, and they're milking the clock. Wow. Now we're down by 10 with only a minute 13 left. This is not good. On 3rd and 10. This could be for the game. Tyler Lockett, wide open. Catch. We gotta go, hurry up. Oh, and they don't let me play the moment. Come on. It looks like week 2 is going to come with a loss. This is very unfortunate considering how well we started off week 1. But, I mean, might as well make it look like a super close game by scoring a touchdown here. Wow, what an unfortunate game. Lose by 10 points. Justin Herbert with the better completion percentage. 2 more touchdowns, but less yards. I mean, the real thing was 3 interceptions. One of them was from me. Ashton Genty, I'm not sure what happened. I have to check after this game to see if he's good. Arende Gaston just outplaying Brock Bowers, getting the 2 touchdowns. I mean, it was just. They got Denzel Perryman, and then I picked Dante Jackson, Jeremy Chin, Benjamin St. Jude. It's just a bad game all around. I'm gonna go to the injury to see what happened to Ashton Jeanty that game. Hopefully it's not a serious injury where he's gonna be out for a while, because that'd be very unfortunate to the team. Torn labrum, 3 to 7 weeks. Well, let's just say that week 2 was not the best week for us. And going into week 3, we're going to be facing some serious adversity when it comes to our running game, and I'm not sure what happened, because I wasn't playing at the time when he got hurt, so it's going to be a hard week going into the 2-0 Washington Commanders. Well, I appreciate y'all sorry about that. I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all boys can go. I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all boys can go check out my Twitch, where I'm going to be streaming the BO2 campaign. It's my YouTube XRS1 _, which is an underscore at the end. So if y'all want to go see something different other than Madden, I'm going to go be playing the campaign on my Twitch. I'll talk to y'all boys later. I'll see y'all in week 3.